Hello traders, you're welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this video, we are going to be talking about a powerful feature inside your MetaTrader platform, and that is the one-click trading. So whether you are using MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5, these two can massively speed up your execution and make your trading more efficient. Now, what is one-click trading? One-click trading allows you to place trades instantly with a single click, directly from the chart, no pop-ups, no extra confirmations. You just click buy or sell, right? You just click the buy or sell button and you're good to go, and the trade is live. So for traders who focus on scalping or fast market reactions, this can be a game changer. Now, how do you enable one-click trading in MetaTrader 4? You open your MetaTrader 4 platform, you go to the chart window of the currency pair you want to trade, you click the small arrow. You can see there's a small arrow here on the top left corner of the chart to expand the one-click trading panel. If it is your first time, you will get a warning message. All right, just read through it and accept the terms. Then you can go ahead to click the buy button or the sell button, with volume settings. Of course, set your lot size. You must have done your analysis already and all of that. And then you can proceed to executing your trade. All right, click the buy or the sell button, one click, and you are in the market. All right. If you are using MetaTrader 5, you launch your MT5, open any chart, you right click anywhere on the chart, select one-click trading. That is, if it is not enabled already, you can enable it. All right. And then, of course, you accept any disclaimer if you're prompted. Accept disclaimer. Then the buy or sell panel should The buy or sell panel should appear. You can see in the top left corner. The buy or sell panel should appear in the top left corner of the chart, just like an MT4. So once enabled, you can adjust your lot size, place your trades instantly with one click. All right. Now, why use one-click trading? One is for speed, right? You get in and out of the market faster. If you want to execute a trade, perhaps you've done your analysis and you've done your analysis, and let's say you want to execute a buy trade, depending on what you discovered on your chart. You can just click, after you set your lot size, you can just go ahead, click the buy button, and there you go. The trade is executed immediately. Or sell button, whatever the case may be. All right. And after doing that, well, you can just easily adjust your stop loss. You just drag up, adjust your take profit. So this is literally one-click trading. So with just a click, you can execute your trade. With just a click, you can set your stop loss via dragging and dropping. Via dragging and dropping, you can set your stop loss and set your take profit. Super easy, right? Super easy with minimal stress. Okay, so that is one of the reasons why you use one-click trading for speed. You get in and out of the market faster. All right. And if you want to close your trade, obviously, if you want to close your trade with one click, your trade is closed. You just click on the X button there, and your trade is closed. So this is what we call one-click trading. Now, also for precision, you can catch entries without delay. Because if you want to get a confirmation, let me show you an example of getting a confirmation. So let's say I want to execute a trade here. Can you see a pop-up is coming out? So by the time you finish, setting whatever you want to set here and then clicking the buy, clicking the sell, price might have already gone maybe a few points compared to when you just click the buy and gets executed immediately. So you get precision as well. You get precision. You catch entries without delay when using the one-click trading. All right, and then for efficiency, you eliminate extra steps in your workflow. To make things easier, you just execute your trade immediately. Click buy, click sell, it gets executed ASAP. No need to start, getting a confirmation and all of that. So long as you are certain of what you want to do, you have done your analysis already, you are sure of the trade you want to take, then you are good to go. Just ensure that you do not make mistakes, okay? Because one of the benefits of confirmation is to ensure that you are sure of that decision you want to make, right? So just ensure that you do not make mistakes, or execute the trade by mistake, okay? When you are using one-click trading. So now, one-click trading is actually perfect for fast-paced environments or short-term strategies where seconds matter. If you are a scalper, then you're going to need one-click trading to make your trades faster, to make your execution, speedier and all of that. Okay. Now, even though it is fast, make sure to set your default lot size properly. Before clicking the buy or sell button, make sure that your lot size is properly set before placing a trade. You don't want to accidentally open a bigger position than intended. All right. Also, if you want to modify your stop loss or take profit, you'll need to do that manually after the trade is placed, or you use scripts or EAs to automate it. All right. If you want to disable it at any time, you can just right click the chart and turn it off from the same menu. All right. Now, one-click trading in MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 is one of the most underrated tools. It helps you react quickly, especially during news releases or volatile market moves. But with great speed comes great responsibility. So always double check your settings, especially lot size and account balance. All right, before diving in. If this guide helped you out, do me a favor, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications. There is more trading power coming your way every day. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.